नहमदु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़ाऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम रब्बिश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी यस्सिर व ला तुअस्सिर व तम्मिम बिल खैर व बिका नस्तईनु या फ़त्ताह। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम।
Juz number 7, chapter 6, Surah Al-An'am, the Kettle. This surah was revealed in Makkah. It has 165 verses and 20 sections. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. All praise belongs to Allah, who created the heavens and the earth and made darkness and light. Yet those who disbelieve equate others with their Lord. He is the one who created you from clay, then destined a term. The fixed term lies with him, yet you are in doubt. He is the true God in the heavens and the earth. He knows what you conceal and what you reveal, and He knows what you earn. Yet, whenever a sign from the signs of their Lord comes to them, they do nothing but turn away from it. So they rejected the truth when it came to them. Now there shall come to them a full account of what they used to ridicule. Have they not seen how many generations we have destroyed prior to them? Those whom we had given such a strong position in the land, as we did not give to you, and we poured on them abundant rains from the sky and made rivers flow beneath them? Then we destroyed them because of their sins and raised up another generation after them. If we had sent down to you something written on paper and they had even touched it with their hands, still the disbelievers would have said, "This is nothing but obvious magic." They say, "Why is it that an angel has not been sent down to him?" Had we sent down an angel, the whole matter would have been closed, and thereafter no further time would have been allowed to them. If we had made him an angel, we would have obviously made him a man, and would have caused them the same confusion they are causing now. Even before you, O Prophet, many messengers were ridiculed. Those who laughed at them were then besieged by what they used to ridicule. Say, go about the earth and see what was the fate of those who rejected the prophets. Say, to whom belongs all that is in the heavens and on the earth? Say to Allah, He has prescribed mercy for Himself. He will surely gather you on the day of resurrection, in which there is no doubt. Those who have brought loss to themselves are not going to believe. To Him belongs all that dwells in the night and the day. He is all hearing, all knowing. Say, would I take as guardian someone other than Allah, who is the creator of the heavens and the earth, and who feeds others and is not fed by anyone? Say, I have been asked to be the first to submit to Him, and never to be one of those who ascribe partners to Allah. Say, if I disobey my Lord, I fear the punishment of a momentous day. Whoever is spared from it, the punishment of that day is indeed blessed with His mercy. That is the manifest achievement. If Allah causes you harm, there is no one to remove it except He Himself. And if He causes you good, then He is powerful over everything. He is dominant over His servants, and He is the all-wise, the all-aware. Say, whose testimony is the greatest? Say, Allah is the witness between me and you, and this Quran has been revealed to me, so that I should thereby warn you, and whomsoever it may reach. Do you really bear witness that there are other gods along with Allah? Say, I bear no such witness. Say, in fact, He is one God. I disown what you associate with Him. Those to whom we have given the book recognize Him, the messenger, as certainly as they would recognize their sons. Those who have brought loss to themselves, they are not going to believe. Who is more unjust than one who invents a lie against Allah or rejects His signs? Beware, the unjust shall not prosper. Be mindful of the day we shall gather them together. Then we will say to those who associated partners with Allah, where are those you claimed to be partners of Allah? Then they will have no other mischievous move but that they will say, by Allah, our Lord, we ascribe no partners to Allah. See how they will lie about themselves, and all that they used to forge will vanish from them. There are those among them who apparently listen to you, but we have put coverings on their hearts so that they do not understand, and heaviness in their ears. If they were to see all the signs, they would still not believe in them. So much so that when they come to quarrel with you, the disbelievers say of the Quran, it is nothing but tales of the ancients. From it, the Quran, they prevent others, and from it they keep themselves away. They ruin none but their own selves, while they do not realize it. If only you could be there to see when they will be made to stand by the fire, and they will say, would that we were sent back, then we would not reject the signs of our Lord, and would join the believers. In fact, what they were concealing earlier will become clear to them. If they were sent back, they would again go for what they were forbidden from, as they are sheer liars. They say, there is nothing but this worldly life of ours, and we are not going to be raised again. If only you could see when they will be made to stand before their Lord. He will say, is this not true? They will say, of course, by our Lord it is. He will say, then taste the punishment, for you used to disbelieve. Losers indeed are those who deny that they will ever face Allah, until when the hour will come upon them suddenly. They will say, alas, we have been negligent about it. They shall carry their burdens on their backs. Beware, evil is the burden they carry. The worldly life is nothing but a game and fun, and the last abode is surely much better for those who fear Allah. Would you still not understand? Indeed, we know that what they say makes you sad, because it is not you whom they reject, but the transgressors actually deny the signs of Allah. Indeed, many messengers have been rejected before you, but they stood patient against their rejection, and they were persecuted until our help came to them. No one can change the words of Allah, and of course, some accounts of the messengers have already come to you. If their aversion is too hard on you, then seek, if you can, a tunnel into the earth or a ladder onto the sky in order to bring them a sign. Had Allah so willed, He would have brought all of them to the right path. So never be one of the ignorant. Only those respond who listen to seek the truth. As for the dead, Allah shall raise them, after which they shall be returned to Him. They say, why is it that no sign of our choice has been sent down to him from his Lord? Say, Allah is surely powerful enough to send down a sign, but most of them do not know. There is no creature moving on the earth nor a bird flying on its two wings, but they are all communities like you. We have not missed anything in the book. Then to their Lord all of them shall be gathered. Those who gave the lie to our signs are deaf and dumb, in layers of darkness. He lets whomsoever He wills go astray, and brings whomsoever He wills on the straight path. Say, tell me, if the punishment of Allah comes to you or the hour befalls you, would you call someone other than Allah if you are truthful? Rather, Him alone you will call, and He, if He wills, shall remove what you call Him for, and you will forget those who associate with Him.
Barakallahu li wa lakum wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Amin ya rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.